Hi, let's jump into the healthiest wraps ever. Take a mixing bowl and add 1 cup of almond flour, 1/4 of a cup of sunflower seed flour, 1/4 of a cup of chia seed meal. See that it's not the seeds, and 1/4 of a cup of flaxseed meal. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of psyllium husk, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and give it all a good mix, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now I'm adding little herbs and spices, a little oregano, maybe a teaspoon each, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and giving it all a dry mix in the bowl. Now I've taken 1 cup of hot water and mix it in little bits into your dough. Give it a good kneading, and we are ready to put in our last ingredient, which is 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix it into the dough really well and allow this dough to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, after 10 to 15 minutes, just take a little bit of psyllium husk on the dough and just over it, just literally dusting it. And now we are ready to cut this into 8 balls. Yeah, you're going to get 8 huge wraps with this. So I'm making them all into balls, and now between 2 parchment paper, I am pressing it out with a rolling pin. Well, my PAM can. And can you see how thin I've rolled it out? Now to make it perfect, I've taken a plate, a big plate. And if you have little bits that are still, breaking in between, just take a bit of the dough and add it and roll it out again. Now we are ready to put it into a pan and into a dry non-stick pan and literally cook it on each side for about a minute and a half. And yeah, that was the first one in the plate, and this is the second one. And thanks for watching Yummalicious Healthy Wraps. Thanks for watching.